The video Playing God with Planet Earth explores many concepts and claims in the scientific world, such as the concept of geoengineering, or deliberate large-scale manipulation of the movements on the Earth as a possible solution to combat the climate change. There are many main points in this video. Starting with the introduction to geoengineering, the video basically introduces the concept of it, which is a set of proposed technologies aimed at mitigating the effects of climate change by intentionally altering the Earth's systems on a larger scale to be able to get things back to a more normal basis. And the second point is the carbon capture and the storage, which was the first geoengineering technology discussed in the video, known as CCS. It involves capturing carbon dioxide emissions from industrial processes and resides them underground. The video also explains how CCS works and discusses its potential way as a possibility or a problem to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions that are being emitted into the atmosphere. The next point is solar radiation management, which is the second technology discussed, known as SRM, which affects reflecting sunlight back into space in order to cool the planet, lower the temperatures. The video explains how SRM works and discusses some of the potential risks associated with this technology, such as unintended consequences and geopolitical issues, which can arise from this as well. The next topic that was introduced in the video is public perception and ethical concerns and the ethical values. In my opinion, I think this is one of the bigger topics in the video because it talks about the ethical aspects of life and the ethical aspects of geotechnical engineering as well. It explores the public perception of geoengineering and discusses some of the ethical concerns related to it. It questions whether the video is appropriate to play God with the planet and whether geoengineering could exacerbate existing social and environmental inequities and inequalities as well, because everybody knows there are many different claims and problems that go into this. And everybody is entitled to their own opinion, which allows them to come up with their own solutions and their own claims as well. And the conclusion of the video basically concludes suggesting that while geoengineering may be a potential solution to climate change, it is not a silver bullet and should be approached with caution because of the many claims and problems that can arise with it. It emphasizes the need for further research and collaboration between scientists, scientific communities, many policymakers, and the public in general for citizens to ensure that any geoengineering solutions that are used or created or claimed to be scientific are safe, effective, and equitable for the many communities and scientific communities that it is going into, and for the scientists that are using these claims and these new technologies in order to help solve these scientific problems in the world.